Hi everyone, so today we're going to be making this simple popsicle stick and yarn butterfly. You can add antennas to it, I just didn't, so that's your choice, but yeah, keep watching. So, what you're going to need is 3 popsicle sticks. I have these 3. Scissors, obviously, and then yarn. I just have this purple, you can use whatever color you want. So you first take is the end of your yarn, one of your popsicle sticks, and just take it and tie it around the middle of the popsicle stick, or you can tie it near the end. It's just safer to start near the middle, or somewhere in the middle. It's not perfectly centered, like at the perfectly centered, but it's close enough for me because you're gonna cover it over mostly. Just tie it like 2 times so it stays, and then cut off the extra. And then you take this and you want to just wrap it. You want to kind of just not wrap it too tight or not too thick. Just kind of wrap it one time because you're going to have to go back the other direction to get to this end too. For the first time I'm going to wrap it fairly neat, and not very lumpy and weird. But then when we go back I'm going to go a little bit more messy because that's how I want it to look. And then when I get back to this end of the yarn, I'm going to just wrap it nice and neat again. Just gives it a nice coverage. You do the little messy, it looks like you just did it haphazardly, but you really did it nicely. When just make sure you don't see popsicle stick too much through, if at all. I'm going to watch till I see that till I get close to this end like I did on the other end. I don't want to go too close or you're going to start falling off. And that wouldn't be fun. Now I'm going to go back a little bit messy. Like that. And now what you want to do is wrap it around again. And then you want to cut. Or if you don't want to cut. I got confused. You want to take your popsicle sticks and you want to line them up like this. But you want them kind of closer together so that it's not evenly spaced between all of them. And they're not perfectly centered, it's fine. You just want close. So you have this between them like this. You want to wrap this around like that. But then you want to also go up and go around this direction. And then you want to go down and around this direction. So you get all the directions so that this is fairly stable and stiff and not going to undo. Then you can go through the middle one more time, and then you can cut, and you want to find a way to tie it off, but you could cut it off and tie it off and then tie it back on and move forward. But I trust this and stuff. I'm going to just keep going. So now you want to go down and you want to come around through this way. You want to wrap it. You're going to just wrap it. But you got to also keep this side together so this doesn't just close in instantly on you and then your wings are uneven. That wouldn't be fun. And then you're going to wrap it nice and neatly so it just looks good. And just wrap. You can take your time. If you take your time, it'll look nicer. First, if you go just fast. Unless you want it to look messy, then go ahead and do whatever you want. You can switch colors based on the body and the wings if you wanted to. Like if you tied it off and added it back on, you could totally switch colors. I just recommend you tie the popsicle sticks together with the main color, because otherwise you'll have crisscross with some other color right here. But yeah, you can do whatever you want. Now I'm going to kind of go back a little bit messier on the wings. Just go back to the middle. And then I'm going to go over to the other side. So I'm going to just turn it upside down so it's easier to hold. And I'm going to go on this side though and do this wing. Oops. That looks pretty close to being the same for each side. Now I'm going to go back a little messy in the center. Like that. And now I'm going to just cut it off so I have a little bit of extra to work with. So this way it's not attached to the skein anymore. And I'm going to go around like this once. But I'm going to keep my finger under this like this. So I can take this and I can pull it through that. As long as you're not like messing with it a lot, you don't gotta make this the most strong knot. And I'm gonna just go this way and do that, but this time I'm gonna hold it up and I'm gonna actually knot these two pieces together. Like I'm gonna knot those two strands together, but one's a loop. You don't gotta make it real secure if you're not like messing with it a lot. Kind of just leave it be. But I want it to be a little more secure because I just don't want it to get ripped too quickly. And then I'm gonna cut off my little extra, that little loop. And if you leave this chunk there, you have something to hang it up with. And you can always, I'm going to shove this end down, and I have a Sharpie I'm going to grab real quick. I'll be right back. So I got Sharpie. And I'm going to just draw a little face on my butterfly. Boop, boop, boop. So there. And you could totally, like, hook antennas back in here with pipe cleaners or something. I just don't want to. But yeah, there you go. Your popsicle stick yarn butterfly. If you like simple crafts like this, give this a thumbs up and comment down below any ideas you have, and subscribe. Bye!